Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Got a little problem with my shower. This piece right here, right there, sorry, where I got my light, right in there has come loose. That was soldered. So what I'm going to do is take some JB Weld, this stuff right here. You have to mix this two-part epoxy, and I'm going to slather that around there and see if that'll hold. I'm going to remodel this bathroom. This tub's coming out, so this is just a temporary fix so I can stay clean for another few months. Right when it starts turning springtime, I'm going to finish ripping this bathroom out, and I'm going to replace the tub and all the plumbing on it. This pipe that's on there now, I had a plumber plumb my house, and he used polybutylene piping, which there was a class action lawsuit against polybutylene, and I was able to get in on that and get all my plumbing replaced. But this bathroom, it's been needing an update, and I want to make it a little bit more handicap accessible with some bars and stuff in there, because I'm not getting any younger and having to repair stuff like this. And I hate plumbing. Gosh, and not too much I hate. I just, but oh gosh, I can't stand plumbing. But I want to do that. And in the thumbnail, you'll see a picture of the finished product. And if it'll just get me just a few more months, we'll be good. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.